episode of Madrid, Philippines. I am Anita. So, batiin lang natin yung may mga anniversary today. Gwen, Daniel Joseph, Aaron, and si Asterex. So, for our life tip, help others. You grow by giving and helping others. It can change you in ways you never expected. So, your relationship with that person will become stronger. Ibig sabihin yan, guys, hindi mo kailangang tumulong sa maliit o malaking bagay. Every time you help, it will give you happiness sa isang tao. And of course, nadi-develop yung relationship nyo. And nagkakaroon ka din ng self-satisfaction sa sarili mo. So, napaka-importante po na tulungan mo yung isang tao. Hindi man malaki yan, at least in a little way, once natulungan mo siya, you will love by that person. So, that's all for our life tip for the day. And for our work tip, actually, interview siya ni Jose at ni Socorro. So, panoorin po natin sila.
Hi guys, I am Jay. So, I am here to give you some notes pagdating sa interview. Nag-research about sa company namin. So guys, yung mga dapat nating i-avoid when it comes to interview. And abangan natin yung susunod na episode para sa mga do's naman para dun sa interview. Bye!
Thank you for watching and subaybayan lang natin yung mga daily videos and update natin. To watch previous episode, click here. To subscribe, click here. Want to be part of Madrid, Philippines? Apply now. Click here.